I'm Kimora.
And I am Tyrese.
And this is the Newbie Crew! But wait. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification. Have your parents ever been mad at you for getting slime into their carpets?
Oh, no more. But today we're making
edible slime!
And you will need
2 bowls, a whisk or spatula, vegetable oil, icing sugar, corn flour, teaspoons, and sprinkles.
First, add in some sprinkles. Then, in a separate bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and some corn flour. Then, mix them together. So we have no gummy bears, so instead we had to use sprinkles. However, we are supposed to make like a smooth solution with the corn flour and icing sugar. So instead we're going to add a bit of water. Too much corn flour. Oh, hang on. Oh, now mine's going to be a bit more hot, so I'm adding a bit more water. So guys, I added some more corn flour and some more water, and it went really hard. So now we're going to add in some oil to make it less sticky. So usually we've had some pretty bad luck with making slime because it always goes wrong. But now we have to add in some oil to make it less sticky because look at this. Ew.
Yeah, look, it's so
So now we're going to add in some oil.
yeah.
So we're going to do a teaspoon. And now some for Tyrese. Now we're going to mix it.
Real dough.
Yeah, it feels like dough. So now I believe my slime is ready. So they said that since it's slime, you should be able to take it out with your hands. So I'm going to try now.
Oh no.
Fingers crossed, guys.
No.
Look at that, guys.
Oh,
Ew. Look, I'm going to take it out with the spoon first.
Oh. What about mine?
Let's look at his. Look at Tyrese's.
Oh, it's made a fountain.
Let's try
Look.
picking it up.
I made a fountain.
Oh, I'm so scared to touch it.
Look, come on, look. I made a fountain. Look.
It's like a fountain.
Now I made. Oh, it feels so stretchy.
I think we should add in a bit more corn flour.
No,
Not
no.
much though.
Look.
It's really stretchy. Yours is a bit too like. It needs to be more. We need to add more corn flour.
Stretchy.
Just a tiny bit.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I think mine's ready. I'm gonna take it out.
Now it just comes out like this.
Oh, Oh. It's breaking apart.
Should I try?
Yeah, you pick it up.
Mama's not in slime.
Whoa. It's so gloopy and then it breaks.
Mama is not in slime.
You guys think we should eat it?
No!
Well, it is edible, so we don't want to try it.
Oh, you're dead.
I don't really like it, but it's not too bad.
I'm not touching this. I'm not liking this.
I don't like it. You.
1 hour later.
Washing my hands. That's
Yeah, you should wash your hands after touching it because slime isn't that bad. It's good to play with.
Why would
But it tastes awful, guys.
Try this.
In terms of texture, 9 out of 10. In terms of taste, 0 out of 10.
But my texture, 0. Not joking. But my texture, it looks really cool, so it'll be 9.5 because it looks like chocolate melted. But if I taste it, it's disqualified.
Disqualified, yeah. It gets -1th place.
No, it gets
0.00005. 0.0005th place.
no,
That's how low it is.
no.
But it's really good to play with. Let me look.
I'm not touching it ever again.
I mean, it's not.
But you can make
Like-
a helicopter.
Yeah, you can make slime with it. This is how you make slime, but not edible slime. Do not ever make edible slime because that was disgusting.
Never try this at home.
Never try this at home, guys.
If you go like this, it's like
Unless you want to play with it, but do not eat it. Do not eat slime, guys. That was a horrible mistake.
oh come on.